Hi guys, Austen Thomson here, and in this video I'm going to show you the latest technology on the market to get your hair almost to virgin-like condition. This has been in the making for 10 years. It promises to take the hair back to almost virgin-like quality. The full 21 carbon chains can be rebuilt, so this should revolutionise hair and make it the healthiest it can possibly be. Lou!
What?
How do you fancy being like a virgin again?
Yeah, I love that.
So this is the first look at the Fibre Clinix product. I actually rate it, I think it's pretty decent. This is the hair, just natural, blast dried, and the finish on it is really nice. If you guys let me know in the comments below if you're interested in this type of content, like products and stuff like that, because I just want to make sure that I'm nailing it for you guys and I'm showing you what you want to see. And if it's cutting colours and behind the scenes stuff it shows, then that is cool. And thank you so much for subscribing, guys, I really appreciate it. And if you want to get subscribed, you just see that there, link that, and be the first to be notified when I make a new video. And I'll see you in the next video.